We are going to cook Pompano Paksiw, and these are our ingredients: 2 pieces of Pompano, ginger, garlic, onions, and 3 watermelon. We're gonna use soy sauce, vinegar, vegetable oil, and ground black pepper. We are going to slice our pompano into, this one we're gonna slice it into 3 pieces. This is already clean and just ready to cook. So that's clean. So that's how it looks after we slice our pompano. Next, we have to slice our watermelon into a bite pieces. Oh, this one I intentionally buy this ripe because I need to plant the seeds and to slice. That's how it looks. Onion. So that's how we slice our onions. 1 clove of garlic. Yep. Next, ginger. I washed the ginger really good. All the spices is right there. We're just gonna do the black pepper and soy sauce, vinegar, and vegetable oil. That's what our next ingredients that goes to our paksiw. Next, black pepper. A lot of them. Gonna put some vinegar. Half a cup. We're just gonna eyeball it. Half a cup of soy sauce, vegetable oil, a little bit of water, and then we're gonna cook it, cover it, and turn on our heat, and then we'll wait. So that's our paksiw now. It looks like that. But I'm still gonna let it simmer more into a low heat. Our paksiw is cooked. We're gonna eat now. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. This is how it looks, our paksiw.